In this video, we will briefly go over the different types of access passwords that can be used to connect to an unattended computer. When we have finished installing ISL Always On, the unattended access agent, onto a computer, we are then prompted to enter a password in the final step. This one is called the main access password. This password will be used when connecting to the newly added computer. If we're the only ones establishing connections to this computer, that would be all there is to do. However, if we are sharing this computer or computer group with one or multiple users, it is not wise to share passwords. For that reason, ISL Lite offers the ability to create a separate password for the users you will share the computer with. This is called the Connection Access Password, and it can be set by going to the Computer tab in ISL Lite, clicking on the menu of the computer in question, and selecting Change Password. Once in the Change Password menu, simply provide the main access password, select Connection Access Password, and provide the new password we would like our users to provide when connecting. Once that's done, click Change. You will then get a notification saying the Connection Access Password has been set successfully. From there on, you can simply share the Connection Access Password to the users you have given access to this computer, and they can simply provide that when establishing a connection. Now, if you know the main access password, you can change it directly from this menu by entering it, and then providing a new one. However, if you do not know the main access password, you would need to access the machine physically or by other means. Once you have access to the machine with the forgotten main access password, simply navigate to the ISL Always On settings and click on Change Password in the Authentication section under Basic. From there, you will be able to change the main access password without needing to provide the old one. While we're here, let's exit this menu and talk about our third type of access password, which can be enabled by checking the One-Time Passwords option in the Authentication section and clicking on the newly available Generate Passwords option. What we have here is a list of 50 passwords that can be printed, saved as a PDF, otherwise copy-pasted, and stored in a safe location. Make sure to click Save for the setting to take effect. Now, each one-time password is numbered, meaning that when connecting to a computer using a one-time password, it is important to pay attention to the text above the password field, telling you which one-time password to use for this particular connection, and making sure you are selecting the correct one according to the number. That's all we have for this video. See you next time.